Welcome to SkillMint Studio. Today we learn how to add page border in MS Word. First click design and then click page border. A new box open. Then click page border. Select a box and choose your favorite design and select your color. Then OK, your page border is ready. Check your page border. If we want to a stylish border for assignment, then click page border, select page border and select your box. Choose your color, click art and choose your favorite style and then OK. Check your page border. If we want to border only around your heading, select your tag and click page border and click border and select your box. Choose your style, click OK. Successfully add your border around your heading. I hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to SkillMint Studio. See you in the next video.